So what are penalties for first-time DUI in the state of California? Well, generally speaking, depending on what county, every county is going to be very different, but you're going to be facing probation if convicted. Probation is going to be between 3 to 4 years. Now, that could be lower, that could be higher, but generally speaking, it's no less than 3 years, no higher than 4 years. The other thing is, it's going to be potential jail time. Now, first-time DUIs typically does not come with any type of jail time, but each county is going to be very different, and the facts and circumstances is going to vary on whether or not you can get jail time. And also, the negotiation between your attorney and also the district attorney is also going to play a role as well, too. Was there any mitigation? Was there any discussion regarding weaknesses in a particular case? That also could play a role. But certain counties, they will use the blood alcohol level to determine the jail time. For example, if your blood alcohol level is a 0.21, then they could use that as a measuring stick and say, okay, technically it's 0.21, then jail time would be 21 days. Now it's all going to depend. And then also you may have to do some alcohol classes, whether it's a 3-month class, 9-month class, or 18-month class. It's all going to depend. And lastly, you're going to have some fines and fees. But regardless, you're facing a DUI, first, second, third, fourth, doesn't make a difference. You always want to make sure you contact the California DUI defense lawyer to assess the case accordingly, to look at all the evidence, to see if there's any potential weaknesses in the case, to see if there's any violation of your constitutional rights. Because when you're dealing with DUIs, especially investigation from beginning to end, there is a lot of constitutional potential issues that can be brought up, such as, was the stop proper? Was the investigation proper? Did they have a basis to have you get out of the car? Was the field sobriety test conducted precisely? Did they have probable cause to make an arrest? Did they do the blood draw accordingly? Did they do the breath machine properly? These are things that you want to look at to consider whether or not the investigation was done correctly, whether or not it rises to the level of a constitutional violation. At Law Firm, we're here to help.